Okay, so your ArcGIS Pro crashed. Let me open ArcGIS Pro. If every time opening ArcGIS Pro in this way is taking time, you could right click and pin to the taskbar so that ArcGIS Pro appears here, and then you just click, ArcGIS Pro opens. Here it says software update available. Let's click here. Okay, when I click there, I went to this page and it says software update, download now. Okay, but sometimes if I do not see the software update information here and I want to check that, how I can do? Settings, go to the settings here, and then you'll see software update. A software update is available. Okay, and this is checked in so that every time when ArcGIS Pro opens, by default it checks for the software update. Let's click download now. Downloading. 134 megabyte. Okay, it's installing, preparing to install. Oh, update failed. Microsoft installer failed to run. Another installation is already in progress. Complete that installation before proceeding to this install. Okay, exit. What is going on here? So, okay, let's go to the settings, and a software update is available. Oh, because there were two things. Okay, one is done and another one. Let's see where it happens. This is preparing to install, and this window appears. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, because I'm updating. Here it says update succeeded. Start the application. Yes. And now ArcGIS Pro will open, and then you can continue your project. Okay, I will see you in my next video.